Italian restaurant. Ayan, maganda. Pakita ko sa inyo ang view niya. Ayan, si Kyle. Birthday kasi ng aking grandson, si Kyle. Ayun. Ang my birthday boy. Ayan, birthday boy.
Okay, no?
Ayan.
Daddy mo sa'yo.
Saan na yung card? Ayan. Ayan siya. Lagay mo yung card sa ibabaw.
Ayun, regalo. Wait lang.
Ayan. Open mo na yung card. At saka yung regalo mo. Ayan siya, birthday boy. Ayan guys. O, tingin dito. Tingin dito
May
kasi.
regalo si Kyle.
Ayan. Kaya yung regalo. Ayan. Wala si Nick na kinuha yung niya, phone sa car. Ayan.
Yeah, for his 21st.
Ayun siya. Ano yun?
He's got him the necklace. That's his 21st birthday.
I'm sorry, any allergies. Oh, no allergies. No birthday. Thank you.
I was gonna bring it to you for one.
Ayun.
Render na sila ni Daddy.
Kanya na yun.
Oh, what do you say to Dad?
Ayan. Casey, where are you? Ayan kami. Dito kami sa Italian restaurant. Italian kami. Wala pa yung isa na sa
Yeah. You know, that's cost a fortune now.
Oh. Ayan, happy birthday, Kyle. Oh, dumating na siya. Kinuha niya kasi yung mukha niya. Isang aming ngayon wala pa yun sa kanila, ito yung sa akin. Kain tayo guys.
Thank you.
Grazie. Ayan guys.
Ayun, pepperoni.
Yeah, masarap.
When they ask if everything's all right, what's the cheese?
Tapos na ako kumain. Ayan guys, ang platong pizza, yung pareho kami ni Elvin. Promise tapos na. Declan, Ren, Casey, Chloe, meron pa natira. Sarap.
Oh, come on, another take picture.
Happy birthday, dear Kyle. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Thank you.
You serve up here to the kitchen to cook, or are you taking it home?
Yeah, we're taking it home.
Taking it home,
You
yeah.
like the box?
You want to try it?
At home?
Yeah,
Ah, you want
yeah,
at
thank you
home?
so much. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
Ayan, done na ang birthday ni Kyle. Tapos na kami kumain, mga guys. Ayun. Asan ang ano ni Kyle? Bigay mo kay Kyle.
Next to the
Kyle,
reader machine.
hindi mo kinuha.
That's how you do it.
May laman yun ah.
Easy. Sabi nung lalaki.
Kyle! Ayan na. Hindi mo na kinuha yung laman. Ayun o. Wala na dyan yung laman. Kinuha. Lagay mo doon. Kyle.
Natinig mo yun sabi, oh, naman dos.
No, 1, 2, 3.
Kyle.
Uy!
Kyle,
Lagay mo
mauna
yung
ka na.
laman. Ayun, ang
Babe,
kinuha.
mauna na kayo sa Kyle.
Bigay mo sa kanya.
Na kayo. Dumating kayo
Ay,
ng ano.
Kyle! 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 Ay, kay Casey na yon?
Sabi niya kung gusto mo daw, huwag ka nang pumasok. Gusto mo bang pumasok? Sabi mo, you just
Okay. Happy birthday. Thank you. May laman ba? Ay, may laman nga. Wow. Ayan, may laman. How much is the laman? 60, 70? 60. Ay, 70. Kasi 70 ako. Wow.
Kasi may separate ka ng regalo, ma.
100 years old ako, mama.
Bayad ko sa utang ko yun.
May utang pala siya sa'yo. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Another money na naman. Another money. Money.
Bakit wala si Casey at si Kyle dito? Sabi mo lang, mom got Connie and Coco. Wow, wala na. Oh, wait, I got it. I didn't get it.
Thank you for the card. Ayan, birthday card. Another money again. 70. Thank you.
Oh, mama, sayaw ka na.